Hello children, in this lecture we will discuss physical properties of alkyl halides. Okay, so the first point is physical state, color, odor, etc. So few members, derivatives of methanes and ethanes are gases at room temperature, and rest all are liquids or solids. Okay, alkyl halides are generally colorless in pure state. Okay children, the next property is melting point. So it is an important physical property, melting point. You know that alkyl halides are formed when an halogen atom of the alkane is displaced by halogen atom. Okay, and we all know that atomic mass of hydrogen is comparatively very less than the halogen atom. So in short, we can say that always alkyl halides will have greater molecular mass than their corresponding alkane. Okay children, and due to the greater molecular mass, the melting point of alkyl halide is always greater than their corresponding alkane. Okay children, then one more point is additional for these alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are, due to their polar nature, having intermolecular force of attraction which is comparatively stronger than the corresponding alkane. Okay, so due to this higher intermolecular interaction which is due to their polar nature, they show comparatively higher melting point than their related hydrocarbons. Okay children, so these two are the main reasons for higher melting point of the alkyl halides with their corresponding alkanes. Then third physical property is boiling points. Again here also, for the same alkyl group with different halogens, in such type of alkyl halides, the boiling point of the alkyl halide decreases from alkyl iodide to alkyl chloride, and this decrease is due to the decrease in the atomic mass and atomic size of the related halogen atom. Okay, so from iodide to chloride, atomic mass of the halogen and also atomic size of the halogen decreases, and due to this decrease, this is the order of decreasing boiling points of the alkyl halide with same alkyl group and different halogen atoms. Okay children, so due to decrease in atomic size, the corresponding van der Waals force of attraction between the molecules decreases, and that is why boiling point also decreases in this order. Now for such alkyl halides which are having same halogen atom with different alkyl group, so as you know that when size of alkyl group increases, the molecular mass of the related alkyl halide will also increase, and due to increase in molecular mass, boiling point will also increase. Okay children, so you can say that with same halogen atom and different alkyl group, as far as size of alkyl group will increase, boiling point will also increase. Now in the case of isomeric alkyl halides, if alkyl halide will have greater number of branching. Okay, so such isomeric form of halide which is having a greater branching will always have lower boiling point. Okay, why? Because with increase in branching, the size of the related molecule become spherical and its total surface area decreases, and due to decrease in total surface area, the volatility of the related molecules increases, and that is why boiling point decreases. Okay children, so it means normal alkyl halides, isoalkyl halides, and in neoalkyl halide. For these three different isomeric structure, the highest boiling point will be of normal, then iso, and the last for neo. Okay, because neo isomeric form of a particular alkyl halide will have highest branching. Okay children, the next property is solubility. So alkyl halides are not soluble in polar solvent like water, and it is because they are not able to form hydrogen bond with water. Okay children, so that is why alkyl halides are insoluble in water. The next heading is density, and density increases with increase in the size of halogen atom with same alkyl group. Okay, so same alkyl group with different halogen atom. So the density of methyl iodide will be highest because the size of the iodine atom is the highest in comparison to chlorine and bromine size. Okay, so with increase in overall molecular size, the density of related alkyl halide will also increase. Same way, if number of atoms of halogens are increasing, then the density will also increase, because by increasing number of halogen atoms, mass and size of the related molecule will increase, and that is why density will increase. The next property is stability. We know that carbon iodine bond is weakest bond. Why? Because the bond energy of such relation is least. So this is the weakest bond, and because it is the weakest bond, so alkyl iodide will be the weakest compound, least stable compound. Okay, so stability will decrease from fluoride to iodide with same alkyl group, and in reverse order you can say a reactivity will increase. Okay, स्टेबिलिटी डिक्रीज करेगा तो क्या होगा, रिएक्टिविटी इंक्रीज करेगा. तो जो रिएक्टिविटी एल्काइल आयोडाइड का होगा, दैट रिएक्टिविटी विल बी हाईएस्ट. ओके, बट स्टेबिलिटी विल बी लीस्ट. The last property is inflammability. Okay, so generally halogen compounds जो हैं वो less inflammable होते हैं, and that is why some halogen compounds are also used as extinguisher. And the most popular halogen compound is carbon tetrachloride, which is used as extinguisher under the name of pyrene. Okay children, so this pyrene term is asked to you in different examination in the form of match the following question. Okay, so just keep in your mind that pyrene is the technical name of carbon tetrachloride. Okay, children. So these are the few important physical properties of alkyl halides. Reasoning can be asked from this content. So you have to prepare a different type of reasoning which are based on physical properties of alkyl halides. Thank you.